The Capitals won the step show.
We won the step show.
Step shows. Fall 2008.
Yes.
The Capitals won.
Yes.
The Capitals won. Gamma State, the Capitals.
I want to play a game. A jazz game.
Said they'll make it.
You can't even play.
They said they'll make it.
Okay.
Hey, the Capitals won the step show. Let's tell you how we won. We won. Nigga, we just won this.
I mean, hey, there's no. We just won everything. Like, we were the best fraternity.
Best fraternity.
We're the best at everything.
Want to play a game?
Overall.
Yeah. Play. Want to play a jazz game?
I can't really.
You can't finish it. You can't finish it. Go ahead, man.
Come on.
You gotta get into character.
He's picking his nose.
Want to play a game? A jazz game.
Last time.
Like a fag.
Hey.
Want to play a game?
Y'all wanna play a game? It's called Night Touch. Well, put it back on me. Put it back on me.
The J game. The J game.
How's life?
Money marching J. Sorry.
Getting outrageous, especially Devon since so you